The BMW i8 could be the perfect supercar for the petrolhead with one eye on the environment, but its high-tech hybrid drive system makes it expensive. Is the BMW i8 a good car? The BMW i8 is a futuristic supercar that proves environmentally friendly hybrids needn't be boring. A powerful turbocharged petrol engine and high-tech electric motor work together to deliver serious performance, while some look-at-me styling makes sure you'll get noticed everywhere from Kensington High Street to a Green Party conference. The i8 first went on sale in 2014 but received a more powerful electric motor and a boosted electric range in 2018. The BMW's bonkers styling remains unchanged, but it still looks more dramatic than the likes of the Honda NSX and Audi R8, especially with the upwards hinging doors spread wide open. Things are a little less theatrical inside, but you still get a smart minimalist interior with loads of plush materials and a digital driver's display instead of conventional dials as standard. Unlike most supercars, the BMW i8 comes with 4 seats which help make it surprisingly easy to live with. Sure, there isn't space in the 154-liter boot for a set of golf clubs, but it's bigger than the load bay you get in the Audi, and there's plenty of space in the BMW's front seats for you to get comfy if you're more than 6 foot tall. The i8 is more relaxing to drive than most conventional supercars too, thanks, in part, to its eerily quiet electric motor and fairly comfortable suspension. Visibility is reasonably good, too, so it isn't particularly difficult to drive around town and you don't hear much annoying wind or tire noise at motorway speeds. Stick it in sport mode, however, and things get a little rowdier. The 3-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine whirs into life and the i8's speakers pipe synthesized engine sounds into the cabin. It's not quite as exhilarating as hearing a 5.2-liter V10 screaming away behind you like in an R8, but the instant shove from its electric motor means the BMW i8 will sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a still pretty blooming exciting 4.4 seconds. That's faster than a Porsche 911 Carrera 4. Extensive use of lightweight carbon fiber helps make the i8 as agile as possible on a twisty country road, too, as well as maximizing its electric-only range. A 3-hour charge from a dedicated wall charger lets you cruise around almost silently for around 30 miles and at up to 75 miles per hour. Once you've run out of electrical juice, the petrol engine chimes in automatically to push you along and recharge the batteries at the same time. This means that, unlike in many electric cars, you'll never have to worry about range anxiety in the BMW i8. Also helping put your mind at rest are the numerous safety features you get as standard, including automatic emergency braking that'll hit the brakes if the car senses an obstacle in the road ahead. How practical is it? The BMW i8 is surprisingly practical for a supercar. It has 2, albeit small, back seats after all, but there's only space for 1 suitcase in the boot. What's it like to drive? The i8s are fast and fun, but this high-tech hybrid isn't quite as exhilarating as some more old-school petrol-powered alternatives. From buzzing electric motors to growling 3-cylinder engines and whizzing turbochargers, the i8 serves up a comprehensive A to Z of interesting automotive noises. What's it like inside? The i8's interior comes with all the plush materials you'd expect from a futuristic supercar, but it's let down by knobs and switches borrowed from much cheaper BMW cars. The BMW i8 interior looks a little more restrained than its bonkers exterior. Sure, you get plenty of brushed aluminium trims on the dashboard and doors, lashings of supple leather and 2 high-resolution digital displays as standard, but it doesn't feel quite as special as the sportier cabin you get in an Audi R8. Look closely at the gear lever, the rotary e-drive controller and some switches on the dashboard and you'll notice they look almost identical to what you get in a 1 Series. Not exactly what you want from supercar that costs more than £100,000. Thankfully, the i8's pinstriped steering wheel doesn't appear on any other BMWs, and you get plenty of high-tech equipment as standard to help sweeten the deal. All models come with interior mood lighting, dual 8.8-inch digital displays and your choice of white or black leather seats is standard as part of the Capo design pack. This also brings with it leather door trims, metal sill covers and a black leather dashboard. Infotainment. All BMW i8s come with an 8.8-inch infotainment screen, but it sticks out like a sore thumb on the otherwise swooping, sporty dashboard. Thankfully, it's very easy to glance at quickly as you're driving. The rotary dial controller on the center console makes it a dawdle to scroll through the system's various menus when you're driving, and you get a set of physical shortcut buttons to let you quickly skip between key features without taking your eyes off the road. As a result, it's leagues ahead of the Honda NSX's infuriating touchscreen in terms of usability. Satellite navigation comes as standard, and you can even enter letters of a postcode by writing them on the touchpad on top of the rotary controller. This feels a little odd at first, especially if you're right-handed, but it works impressively well and takes much less time to enter an address than using a conventional on-screen keyboard. Once you've programmed the sat nav, it delivers clear, concise directions using bright, easy-to-read maps.